Hey, what's up? Today we're going to show you all about fidget spinners, and I took apart this glow-in-the-dark fidget spinner.
The pool's perfect for it, dude.
And I'll show you.
Without the wings crashing on
You can see here, electric, and if you turn it on, you see you can't see lights.
Well, I have a mistake list.
Can't see
I
them.
get on my knees
And
I
I don't know how this works, but let's wait and see.
I fall face first and then my circle would slide back that way.
You gotta get up, push down far. We'll learn the pool, dude. It'll make it easier for you.
I mean, it's not that big of a party, but hopefully I'll like mellow down.
Yeah.
Let's go. In an hour, do you want to go back and check?
Yeah, that's fine.
I mean, I just really, really want to know. I mean, duck diving looks really fun.
Well, you need to be able to do it to be able to paddle out there, you know?
Yeah, because Dad, the waves just keep on bringing you back.
Yeah.
I just learned that. I was trying to get.
Okay, so I can't find it, so we're about to go to the
Right
pool.
there, like, the waves just like pull you right back.
Yeah.
Look, I found how it works.
Oh, we'll teach you how to do it in the pool.
You can see that, guys, how it lights flash.
Paddling around. You know?
So actually,
But you're gonna have to let me show you how to paddle around at the duck dive first. You
yeah.
know?
To this one.
Oh my God. But Dad,
Yeah.
do I have to wear a shirt for the surfboard?
No, you'll be alright.
And so these are all the colors.
I don't know that.
You
Like
see
these-
here?
Like, they're not hit in your mouth.
I don't know that. I just really,
And
really want to learn.
and these what it goes in.
You will.
And this is the fidget spinner.
And then, like, I learned that, like, you can't put, like, I don't even put
I'll be right back down. I gotta get in the shower.
And
down.
um,
And
all you do is just need a finger and poke these out. And so I hope you will like and subscribe, and please put a like sign. I hope we get 100 likes. Thank you. I hope you enjoy.